note-taking in the Android version of Confer is different from the iOS version. There are additional features and a new interface. Here's how it works. Select a subject, then select a student, then tap the plus button at the top of the screen to add a new note to that student. The first row of the screen shows the title of the subject that you're in. Every other row is a field in the note that can be edited. Tap a row to expand that field. The first new feature in the Android version of Confer is that you can edit the date of your note. It will automatically start on today's date, but you can change that. When you've finished editing a field, you can collapse it by tapping the row again, or by tapping the checkmark button at the top right of the screen. To edit another field, simply tap the row to expand it. In the Android version of Confer, you can add a photo to each note. You can take a new photo, or choose from existing photos. The remaining fields on the note-taking screen are similar to the iOS version of Confer. The comment field lets you add comments to a note. The tag field displays all the previous tags from all subjects on your device or account. You can narrow this list by typing into the text box. Confer will filter out all tags that don't match the text that you've entered. To add a tag, simply tap it. To remove it, tap the X. And to enter a new tag, type into the text box. The remaining note-taking fields all work the same way. They all share a bank of existing comments from all subjects that are separate from the tags. Type to narrow the comments. Tap to add an existing comment. Tap the X to remove it, and type into the text box to add new comments. You'll notice that in the Android version of Confer, you can add your own custom note fields. You can also rename and delete fields as well. Lastly, once you begin editing a note, you can use the left and right arrows at the bottom of the screen to navigate quickly between fields. Note that when a field is open, the left arrow backs you up to the next field. It does not back you out to view the whole note. To view the whole note again, tap the field or check mark at the top of the screen. Now, the left arrow will back you out of the note altogether, but you'll be warned that doing so will lose all of your changes. To save your changes, tap the Add Note button at the bottom of the screen or the check mark at the top. You will now see your note saved on the student screen. To see an overview of all the features in the Android version of Confer, please see the other tutorial videos at conferapp.com.